And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a Pane transition. We'll put both of our clips in the same video channel. We'll make it a bit shorter using the split tool. B is the short key for it, and I delete both of them. So they need to be in the same video channel. We have a jump cut by default. Now we go to transitions, open the drop down. We'll find it under the slide category currently. It's simply called Pane. Download it. Once it's done, you can drag and drop it onto the position. You might get a warning message. Simply confirm, and there you go. The specific transition can be a little bit longer. I actually like it way more when it's about a second long or even longer. Maximum here is 1.6 seconds. And you can see it still works. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.